what is up everyone? Welcome back to our YouTube channel. So for today's video, I'm going to teach you how you can easily change number of guests on Airbnb. So first, you may want to head over to airbnb.com and make sure that you're logged into your hosting account. Next, at the top corner of your screen, just click on listings, then select the specific listing that you want to change, number of guests, and from the listing editor, just scroll down until you get to number of guests. Simply click on it. Next, just click on the add button to add guests. You can also use the minus button to reduce the number of guests. Feel free to adjust this until you get the number of guests that you want for your listing. So that's pretty much it. Thank you very much for watching this video. I hope that you find this video helpful. And if you do, please don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to the channel. And I will see you again on the next one. Bye!